Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to print triangle pattern in Python. So let's get started. So open your code, and this is my file try.py. So it's a Python file. So now if you want to print it in a static way, so let us use a for loop for x in. If you want to give 5, so use this range of 5 here, give colon, enter, and we'll go step by step. I'll just show you how it works. Print asterisk, okay, print asterisk. So let us compile this and check. Let us run this program try.py and enter. So you get 5 stars over here. So as you see, this is not printed in a straight line, it is automatically going to the next line. So to print it in a straight line, let us use this and equals to, in single quotes, give this. So now let us run the program, give the command, and you see 5 stars have a print. We want to print a triangle, so it has to be here 1 star. The next line on the second row we need 2 stars, and the third row we need 3, and according to that still 5 it has to go. So for that we'll use the other loop for the columns here for y in range of 5, and don't forget this colon also, and make the indentation proper. So now let us see how we get the output. So I'll again run the program. So you get all this in one line. So once after running this while loop, the second loop, we will need to break it to the next line. So in this indent, just put print and leave it here empty function. So it will break that line over there. So you can see now 5 into 5 rows, like 5 columns and 5 rows. So okay, so now we need this. In the first line we need only 1 star, so you have to use a if condition here inside the second loop. So you see, if the y is less than x here, put colon here and make this indent proper inside the y. So now I'll explain you what is working here. First let us check the output. So run this program and see. So you got this 1 star in the first line, 2 stars in the second line, 3 stars, and 4 in the fourth line. So let us go to Excel now. So I'll show you the diagrammatical representation, how it's working. So now let us keep here, this is x here, and x will be here. Okay, I'll just show you 1. So row number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and this is our y over here. So here y will be 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so this is our y over here. This is y and this is x. So let us take now. So when x is 1, so it is in the first row, and here y is also in the first column. So it will check when 1 is less than 1, so it is false, so this will be null. So it is going, this will not become true, and it will go to the next line. So x becomes 2 here. So x is here now. So x is 2, so and y again start from the first column. So y is 1, so 1 is less than true, it is true. So here one asterisk will be printed over here. Then again y will become 2, so y will go to 2, and x is already on 2 here. So if 2 is less than true, it becomes false, so it doesn't go inside, and it will give a line break here, so it will come back to row number 3. So x is 3 now. So when y starts again from 1, so 1 is less than 3, so 1 is less than 3, so asterisk will be printed. Then it will go to the next row, next column. So y will increment and it will become 2 here. So 2 is also less than 3, so it will print a asterisk over here. And next row, next column, so again y will become 3 here, so 3 is less than 3, it becomes false. So it will come out of this, print a line break, and it will go to next row. So x will become 4 now. So y will start again from first. So 1 is less than 4, true, print asterisk. Then it become 2, 2 is less than 4, true, so print asterisk. Then increment and become 3 is less than 4, print asterisk. And now next time when the increment and come 4 is less than 4, it becomes false, so a line break will be inserted here. So break, and again now it is 5. X is 5 and y again start from column number 1. So now 1 is less than 5 true, it will print an asterisk. So increment and go till 4 and it will become true, so 4. So now when it becomes 5, so 5 is less than 5, it becomes false, so it will give a line break. And here we have given it till 5 only, so it will stop. So you got a triangle pattern over here. So now here we have correctly 4 rows and 4 columns. So you can see here 4 rows and 4 columns here. So if you want it to come, like we have given 5 and you need 5 rows, just give here equal to sign and run the program once again, and just see you will get 5 rows and 5 columns. So this is basically just it gets true in the first line itself. So here this thing will be printed here, everything goes one step above, and when it comes to the same number of the row number, that is x, it becomes equal to, so 2 is less than or equal to 2, so it becomes true, so an extra asterisk gets printed, so you get one more row here. So in this video we have successfully learnt how to print a triangle pattern in Python using simple for loops and if condition. Okay, thank you for watching this video guys. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching once again.